Top 5 Animals. Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 animals that have captured our hearts and imaginations. First up, the playful and intelligent dolphin. These marine mammals impress us with their acrobatics and communication skills. Next, the majestic elephant. Known for their strong family bonds, these gentle giants display incredible intelligence and empathy. Third, the loyal and loving dog. Man's best friend, dogs have been our faithful companions for thousands of years. Moving on, the elegant and mysterious cat. Cats have charmed us with their grace, independence, and adorable antics. Finally, the vibrant and fascinating parrot. With their impressive mimicry and bright plumage, parrots never cease to entertain and amaze us. And there you have it, our top 5 animals that continue to inspire and captivate us. Which one is your favorite?